So I was sitting on the couch the other day and I was like, there's so many things you can be doing, Nicole. Like, what could you be doing during this time? And so I made a list of 5 things that we could be doing while we're stuck in the house and have nothing else to do with our time. And you don't have to spend money to do this. Hi guys, Nicole here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different because we are experiencing something that is extremely crazy that I have never experienced in my 30 years of living. And so I kind of wanted to come on and make this video to get us out of this kind of slump, because I, for one, have definitely been in a slump. So I have been stuck in the house now for 7 days, and I kind of just didn't want to do anything. So I kind of didn't want to do anything. I didn't want to do my hair. I didn't want to get dressed. I didn't want to do makeup. Like, I literally, after 7 days, was like, okay, let's get our life together. And I think a lot of that is because it's like shock. So I'm a homebody. I love being at home, but I'm stuck at home with another human. And so it was just like, okay, what am I supposed to do with myself? And I kind of got into this little rut. And even though we're stuck in a house, it doesn't have to be like a bad thing. We have so much time on our hands, guys, and there's so much we can do. And I actually have even been hesitant about making videos because I'm like, there is so much going on. Like, there's no sense in me making videos right now. This is not important. However, to keep our sanity, I think we need to have something entertaining, and we need to have something that we enjoy doing. So whatever hobby it is that we have, I think we need to keep that up. My hobby, of course, is talking about hair, and so I'm gonna keep doing that. So I'm gonna give you 5 things to do while you're stuck in the house on quarantine, and this is natural hair related. So I was sitting on the couch the other day and I was like, there's so many things you can be doing, Nicole. Like, what could you be doing during this time? And so I made a list of 5 things that we could be doing while we're stuck in the house and have nothing else to do with our time. And you don't have to spend money to do this. The first thing that I decided that I was gonna do, that some other people I'm sure need to do, is to go through old products. Like, go through your whole product stash, throw out products that are extremely old, products that you haven't used in like over a year. Just throw them out or use them. I decided to like just start going through all my products and using up anything that I said I was gonna try later. Like, I'm gonna use all of that up. And the products that you just got, or like newer products, look and see on the label if they have an expiration date. Let me clarify here. By expiration date, I mean it has a time frame that you should use it in. So it'll say 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, and it looks like a little jar that's opened. That is what I'm talking about when I say an expiration date. So it'd be a good idea for you to go in and remember when you opened it and put when it will expire. And if you can remember, write at least the month and year when you open them, because a lot of the new products are putting expiration dates on them, and we're still opening them like normal and not even labeling them. So that would be a good thing to actually go through your product stash and do. The next one, which kind of leads into that, is try new products. I know me, I'm a product junkie. I buy so many products and I'm like, I'll try that later. I'm gonna try that later. I'm gonna experiment with that, and I'm always afraid to try these new products because I'm afraid that like it'll give me like a bad hair day and I'll have to go out to work. You don't have anywhere to go. If you have that bad hair day, you have that bad hair day. Just go ahead and try the product. Number 3 is kind of along those lines too, but it's trying new styles. I don't try new styles. I am a wash and go girl because I know it works. I don't want to have to wake up in the morning, fight with my hair, have this bad hair day. So I just kind of stick with what I know. But now you have time to try those twist outs, try those braid outs, try straightening your hair on your own, try trimming your hair on your own. Try these things that you would never be able to do because you don't have the time or because you're afraid of going out in public and looking crazy. No one's gonna see you, sis. Just try it. Number 4, which is something that I've gotten away from, is to learn how to make your own products. So we know that like stores are closing, things are out, and one of the things you don't want to be spending your money on right now is natural hair products. So learn how to make your own products. When I first went natural, I used to make my own protein treatments, my own deep conditioning treatments. I started using the cheapest of the cheapest products and figuring out how to make those work because I didn't have a lot of money to spend on products. So get those cheap products, learn how to mix up your own products, and save some money during this quarantine time. Finally get a regimen down. Get that wash day regimen down. Have a set day that you do your hair. Like, set it in place and come out with healthier, more manageable hair. For me, I always did my hair on Saturdays, and that worked for me, but I set that up like over the summer during my free time. So now you have free time, get you a regimen going. Have the day you're gonna wash your hair. Make sure you have the day you're gonna deep condition your hair and style your hair, and then the day you're gonna refresh it or redo it, or you know, whatever it is, get your regimen down. I have a regimen that I linked to my Facebook, that to my Natural Niece Facebook page, that I still kind of follow now. And it has like what you can do on what days and what steps. Like, it's so simple to just create a regimen, but a regimen is gonna really help you get to the point where you're taking care of your hair continuously, like on a continuous basis, even after this quarantine is over. Because let's think about it, guys, to form a new behavior, it takes minimum 18 days. Some of us have already been in the house for half that, so why not get started? And the last one is kind of like a bonus one, and I saw this on Instagram, and it's to like detox your hair. Like, give yourself a spa day. Do a shampoo, like a good shampoo, like a detox on your scalp, whatever that looks like for you, because you have all this pollution and things in your hair, causing your hair to get buildup and stuff. So get in there and really like just do a full-on spa day, steam your hair, whatever it is that you do. Pick a day and do that and kind of like reset your hair and get your new regimen off to a good start. So that's all, guys. That's all I have. I just wanted to come and give you 5 things, really 6 things that you could do in this time and make the most of this time that we're stuck in the house. It's not often that we're gonna be like, dang, I wish I could not have all this time on my hands. So I know it's spring and it just feels like we are not getting to enjoy spring, but come out of this quarantine with poppin', healthy, juicy curls, ready for the summer, because I mean, this isn't gonna last forever. So why not start now while you have time and take care of your hair? That's all, guys. I hope this was helpful, enlightening, entertaining, what have you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, feel free to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know anytime I post a video. I still will be posting videos, hair related, probably a lot of vlogs, because I am teaching. I'm stuck at home, and so I'm exploring this whole new world of virtual teaching and virtual learning. And so I definitely will be continuously uploading videos. Whatever hobby you have, really put some time into that right now, because we have so much time on our hands. We don't know when we're gonna get out of the house. I know a minimum I'm stuck in this house for 3 weeks. So I am gonna use that time to my advantage. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.